Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beautiful Arts and Craft Kids. Hope so most well. Today our drawing I about how to draw a popsicle. To draw a simple popsicle, follow these steps. Step 1. Draw the popsicle shape. Start by drawing vertical rectangle or slightly curved rectangle for the body of the popsicle. The top should be rounded or flat depending on the type of popsicle you want. Step 2. Add the stick. Below the popsicle shape, draw a straight line extending downward for the stick. The stick should be thinner than the popsicle body and should look like it's coming out from the bottom. Step 3. Add details. If you want to add texture, you can draw a few lines along the popsicle to give it a sense for depth or texture like grooves or popsicle layer. For a bitten popsicle, you can cut the top part with a jagged line to show it's been eaten. Add color. Color the popsicle in any color you like, red, orange, purple, etc. You can add some shading for a more three-dimensional look. Optional details. To make it more appealing, you can add some small elements like a little shine on the popsicle surface to show it's shiny and cold. Would you like me to help you visual that with an image? Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, and comment in my videos. What I draw in the next video, please tell me in comment. This is very simple and easy drawing. Just draw drawing in 20 to 1 minute. Your color choices to pink and yellow like blue, but I color choices is the pink, red and baby pink. Okay, bye bye.